Welcome to Astronomy Spotlight for November. My name is Kirk Rosberg. I'm the Planetarium Coordinator at the Hastings Museum. And this month we are going to be looking at Jupiter, primarily Jupiter anyway, because Jupiter reaches opposition in the evening sky on November 3rd at a magnitude of minus 2.9. Now the average opposition apparent magnitude of Jupiter is about minus 2.7. So this one is going to be a little bit brighter than average. Now remember, the negative numbers mean that the object is brighter than objects that are rated at the positive numbers. Basically, just to give you an example, the Sun has an apparent magnitude of minus 26.7, and the apparent magnitude of the Moon is minus 12.7. Sirius, the brightest star in the sky, its apparent magnitude is really just minus 1.46. So back to Jupiter. It is quite bright really from the very end of October and will continue to be bright at minus 2.9 through November the 8th. Now after that it will slowly, very slowly get dimmer. So you've got a while to see it at its best. Its optimum brightness will actually be at midnight on November 3rd, when Jupiter is directly opposite the Sun in the sky as seen from the Earth. That's why they call it opposition. It also means that Jupiter will rise at sunset and it will set at sunrise, very much like the full moon when it is opposite the Sun. So don't miss this opportunity to see Jupiter at its brightest. Okay, but before we leave Jupiter, let me just show you it actually in the sky with the labels here. Labels, there we go. So Jupiter will be, depending on when you see it, about halfway up in the eastern sky. And if you see it at midnight, of course, on November 3rd, it will be pretty high in the sky. Finally, the waning crescent moon and Venus will be very, very close together in the closest pairing of the two of 2023. They're going to be in the pre-dawn sky on November the 9th. And this one is going to be even closer than last month's close pairing from October the 10th. They are both in the constellation of Virgo, although it kind of does look like they are fairly close to Leo as well. Your window of opportunity is really from 4 a.m. Till about 6:30 a.m. on the 9th. However, Venus and the Moon will be fairly close together on the 8th and the 10th of November as well. Next month, we were going to look at what is arguably the best meteor shower of the entire year, and it should be a good one, the Geminid meteor shower. So join me again next month for another edition of Astronomy Spotlight, and thank you for watching.